All right, should I go? Yeah, okay, cool. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my September favorites. Oh my God, can you believe it's the end of September? I can't believe it's fall. It doesn't feel like fall, but I'm kind of into it. I'm into a little bit of breeze. I'm into fall transitional. I'm in Southern California, so it's very much still kind of warm. But I'm wearing a sweater, which I pulled out of the closet and realized I had moth hole. Lord, anyway, devastated. So my first thing is, and I actually know I'm TMIing here, but these are one of my favorites this month, and they are Cora Organic. Can you guys guess what they are? I bet you can. They're a female hygiene product. And what I like about them is they're at Target. And I love that you can go to Target now and get not one, but 2 different options for organic tampons. I personally love it. And I also hide this in my bathroom, so I have like hidden bathroom storage. And look, I even kind of color blocked it. So we have regular and we have super. What side of the flow are you on? Help yourself. So weird. Next up, I have this NYX. Is that, you say NYX, right? You don't say NYX. NYX, I think, right? Correct me. Y'all, feel free to correct me, to engage. I feel like this is like a forum that we get to like educate each other, and I learned a lot from you guys. I learned a lot in my DMs too on Instagram, so I'm gonna throw that out there again. Follow me on Instagram because I love seeing what y'all are up to. I love DMing, and I love just having more like day-to-day contact. Okay, cool. So this NYX color, professional makeup. What color is this? Soft spoken. You know me, soft spoken. No, my entire life has been a series of shh. I just think it's a good little color. I have it on right now. It's a mauve-y color. I think it's really nice, kind of going into, it's like a really flattering color. And I love lip liner, and I love like filling my lip liner in. So I'm a lip liner person. I do a tiny overline. Just call me Kylie Jenner. And I'm into it. I'm sure y'all know Sonia Kashuk of Target, at Target at least. They got rid of her makeup. They still have the brushes, they still have the bags, but I loved her makeup. I don't know, you guys don't, I mean, I'm sure I shared it before. I used to buy so many of her lip liners, so many of her lipsticks. Actually, my little palette for my concealer is like little 4 squares. I use that constantly. I blend them. I love it, and it's gone. And it's like gone from the stores. It's basically gone from my palette. So if you have any tips on super conditioning, like really moisturizing concealer, like let me know. I was thinking of trying like the Glossier concealer. Maybe I'll like that. So for me, it like wasn't about money. I just think her makeup was really nice. I mean, it's always a little bit about money, but I felt like it was just a really good, like, we're at Target, but it's really nice. And I gotta tell you that she pulled out the mauves and the good colors like nobody's business. Oh, we want you back, Sonia Kashuk. This is the opposite of favorites. This is hates. And my number 1 hate is that Sonia Kashuk is gone from Target because I just favorite her so much. Did you like what I did there? This is so bad. Oh, wow. I'm like wild today. It's like, I've been sleep deprived, all right? I've been painting for days. Oh, that brings me to my painting. So one of my favorites is I redid my room. So I know you guys want more makeover videos. I have them, I promise. I'm not just saying it. I did my room. So this little tease, got this little guy done. Y'all know. For me, this sounds so nuts, but I'm dead serious. Leopard is a neutral and pink is a neutral. And I'm not kidding. Literally everything goes with them. I think pink looks so pretty with brown. I think pink looks pretty with green, with blue, with, I mean, literally I think pink looks great with everything. I personally am a huge fan of pink and red. I know that some people frown on that. Oh, kryptonite. If you can pull off pink and red together, you, my friend, are doing something right with your life. I mean, I should have, you know what? Hang on. In fact, why don't I just put on my red sweater? So, my bedroom, awesome. Neutrals, go with everything. And I love that. Anyway, khaki of the jungle right here. Loving it. And also my bed. So my bed is kind of the big showstopper, I feel like, in the bedroom, in my opinion. It's velvet and it's emerald, and emerald is one of my oh my gosh, what you guys are, probably my favorite colors in the world would probably be like pink, emerald, and gold. So I'm happy. Anyway, so my bed is awesome. It's from Interior Define. You should be following me on Instagram because if you were, you would know that Interior Define has been having a site-wide 15% off sale, no code needed, automatically taken off at the end this whole time. So anyway, if you like my bed, I love it. I'm gonna link to it. I got the lower headboard version rather than the super high one. I just love it. I love that it's like a wingback, but it's simple, but it's velvet, and I like am obsessed with the green. I'm looking at it right now, and I love it. That's all. Next. So this Goop product, I basically watched Gwyneth Paltrow put this on her face and then bought it. And it's expensive and I don't know what to do because I've really kept it lasting for like months and I used just a little bit and then I started like, in the beginning I was like, oh my gosh, I swear to you, I know this sounds like BS. I've never actively looked forward to washing my face before this. I know that sounds crazy, but I really enjoyed it. I love that it's like, it's weird. It's not like a wax because it's soft, but it's like coconut oil when it's hardened, sort of. Do you know what I mean? And you can like slide through and it's soft. So when you put it on your face, it's like soft butter kind of oil. It's weird. So it's like not oil, but it is, and everything in it's really good. And I feel like as I get older, I want just more moisture. One of my idols who's older than me, but she will not talk about her age, and I can appreciate that. She just covers her face in oil. And I feel like I'm all about it. So I started watching Gwyneth Paltrow and I thought, you can tell she doesn't have Botox. I'm sure she does many other things, okay? But I'll give it a try. So then I also got the instant facial. And this also, if you guys felt it, it's both smooth. I can't explain it. It's smooth and it's matte. It's shiny and it's matte. She's like the most interesting woman in the world in the sense that you're like, this is shiny and it's matte. It's an oil and it's a solid. It's organic, but it's also really fun. Anyway, I freaking love this face wash and it's so expensive, but I love it and I think it's really, really nice and it lasted me a long time. I love the way it feels. This looks like it's the tiniest amount in the world. Like it came and I was like, are you kidding me? But actually, you don't need that much. And also what she talks about with this, which I loved, is it's basically a 3-form facial. And the reason I had to have this is because she said it's what helps her every day. I swear to God, just tell me what you want to hear and I'll buy it. Anyway, I feel it. You get like a little like chemical-y feeling, but not in like a toxic way and not too intense. And then you get a scrub from the washcloth, but then it's also a little scrub with your hands. You don't need to add water first, put it on first. Oh, another thing I love about this, you can just put it on like this right over my eye makeup. I mean, like I can take off my eye makeup, it'll be all here, wipe, and it wipes off clean. So it's a miracle for removing face makeup. I'm talking about this again because I get a lot of DMs about it, even still. My tattoo removal, still going with it. I did now 2 videos, so I'll link to those 2 if you want to check it out where I talk about it in detail. But still going to Laser Away. So grateful for Laser Away for saving me from my Dr. Tat-off nightmare. Got numbed up this time. It was really fun. Is that weird to say that was fun? It was kind of fun because I got like a little popsicle stick and they gave me this saran wrap and I could DIY it. So I was like in there just DIYing myself all up. It's a nightmare. Tattoo removal is terribly painful. The saving grace is that it's very short. And then you just have to go for like years. So it's like a patience game kind of a thing. But definitely still favoriting it, still going, and just going on with my life. All right, and my final thing, another very expensive product. But this Oribe, I love it. It's so ridiculously expensive, but it's so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. And the box too, it comes in the most beautiful box, but that's actually not why I like it. I've tried a lot of different ones. I think L'Oreal has one that's a sulfate-free shampoo. I want to try Davines. I've never really delved into Davines, although I've heard it's really good. I think it's only marginally cheaper than Oribe. But other than that, I've tried a lot of different hair products, and now I'm worried my hair's not looking so good. My hair's naturally dried. I wash it, I shampoo it, and I actually put a little bit of the Oribe Smooth Conditioner, that's what it is. But I just love it. I feel like when I use other things, even nice hair products, like my hair just doesn't look as good. And straight up, I'm getting my hair cut and colored tomorrow. Oh, I'm so excited. So next time you guys see me, I probably won't look that different, just a little freshened up. And literally the last time I was there, they said to me, what are you using on your hair? Your color still looks really good. But after like I got a good cut, just from this and the way they color my hair, it's like gives me months. I'm telling you. So this is the blonde for blonde hair. There's no brassiness. My hair dries the way I want it to dry. It's expensive, but for me, it's like for a daily basis thing that works and makes a tremendous difference in my life. I'm gonna go for it. Oh my God, you guys, I'm in a crazy mood tonight. I love you so much, and I hope you guys like my room video that's coming out really soon. And, Ariana's room video, did you guys see that? Did you like that? And let me know if there's anything that I should know about, if there's something comparable, like you like a face oil, or is there a face wash you guys really like? That's running low. I'm open to trying new things. I was recommended that Drunk Elephant brand, their like facial thing. So I ordered it. So that might be a favorite next month. I heard it's crazy, like a peel at home, like crazy. Oh, and that reminds me, I heard that from my friend Natasha, aka @VioletTinder on Instagram. If you guys follow her or want to follow her. And I'm doing 2, not 1, but 2 rooms in her office, and they're gonna be super fun and cool. So more room makeovers coming, and we're working on that on Thursday. So yay! I love you guys so much. I will see you soon. I hope you're having a wonderful fall. Happy fall, y'all. Bye.